Can you flip a Sleep Number mattress? If you're wondering whether you can flip your Sleep Number mattress to maintain its shape and comfort, you're not alone. Let's break down the details to help you understand what you can and can't do with your Sleep Number bed. First, it's important to know that Sleep Number mattresses are not traditional mattresses. They are essentially air beds with adjustable air chambers that allow you to customize the firmness to your liking. This unique design means that flipping the mattress is not necessary or recommended. Unlike traditional mattresses that often need to be flipped or rotated to ensure even wear and maintain their shape, Sleep Number mattresses do not have the same requirements. The air chambers and the components inside the mattress are designed to adjust and conform to your body without the need for flipping. However, there are some maintenance tips you can follow to keep your Sleep Number mattress in good condition. For instance, if you notice that your mattress looks misshapen, you can try setting the Sleep Number setting to 100 on the affected side. This helps the mattress fully inflate and even out the surface. Additionally, if your mattress has a pillow top cover, you might need to fluff the fill material periodically. Simply unzip the cover, remove the top, and shake the fill material vigorously to redistribute it evenly. However, this is not recommended for memory foam or Sleep Number 360 smart beds, which do not have foam or fiber fill in their covers. In terms of addressing common issues like the trench effect, where the mattress sags in the middle, it's more about adjusting the firmness settings rather than flipping the mattress. Ensuring that both sides of the bed are set to compatible firmness levels can help prevent this unevenness. So, to summarize, you do not need to flip your Sleep Number mattress. Instead, follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance and adjustment to keep your bed comfortable and in good shape.